That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Julia, lagi ako nagkaka-rashes dahil sa aking allergy. Nang sinubukan ko ang Santon Vitamin C, hindi na ako sinusumpong ng aking mga allergy.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
Fabric conditioner with Bloom Fresh technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Manikan po, bilang isang broadcast journalist, nakasanayan ko maging mapanuri. Kahit na sa food supplement ko, bilib ako sa MX3 dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Bukod dyan, cholesterol and fat-free. That goes well with my healthy diet and workout. May seal of quality excellence at gawa sa ISO at GMP certified na planta. MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tested and proven with alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen.
Goodbye to me, sunshine. Hello, Ride Bar Blue. Isang labatan yan.
Ride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, sunshine. Hello, Ride Bar Blue. Isang labatan yan.
Tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Ride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
Ang galing! Pang matagalan.
Parang tayo lang, Han, no?
Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest. Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest. Available in major appliance stores nationwide.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality. Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato at kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to.
Tanggaling-galing mo.
Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis, bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
DCXL 558. DCXL News Break.